1958 Pontiac Bonneville two-door hardtop or sport coupe here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 370 cubic inch V8 tri-power underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, 4-speed Hydra-matic to be exact. Power steering, power brakes. Of course, 1958, the 1-year body style. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front grille, headlights, surrounds, bumper, and all the chrome and bright work on the front of one of these. Shows nicely. Redwood copper. Paint code UVV, so actually patina ivory and redwood copper. As you can see, interior trim of 270, which would be copper and ivory interior. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. Car from every angle. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726, riding on a steel wheel. As you can see, wheel covers, wide white walls, and that is a bias ply tire, just so you're aware. As far as the paint, you can see has a nice shine to it. There's some spots I will show you. There are a few imperfections, and kind of try to point those out as we walk around. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. You can see these panels nice and straight. That bright work down the midriff of the car, also in nice shape, not full of any major nicks, dings, scratches, anything like that. What I have noticed in the paint is it's just where, I don't know if there's a little poor prep work or you get a little bit of bubbling. There's a spot there, a little spot right here. Few of those, but overall it's one of those cars. Get in, drive it, have some fun, your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows, and hey, it's a 58 Bonneville. Take a look at the dash and all the bright work on that. So cloth and vinyl seat combination. And once again, all those still pictures, take your time looking through them. UniqueClassicCars.com. And again, look at all the bright work and chrome on this car. We'll take a look at the rear bumper. It appears that has been re-chromed. Exhaust exiting through the bumper. There's another one of those little spots with kind of just some bubbling in the paint. Kind of same as this side right here. Now, a few notes from the technician that looked at this one in our service department. Said the speedo works, but it does read faster than you're actually going. It's a good way to stay out of getting a speeding ticket, I guess. New sway bar link bushings. Brakes are 80% in the front, 60% in the rear. Does have new rear wheel cylinders. Tires are starting to show their age a little bit. Let's go ahead and take a look down this driver's side. Again, free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Another little spot where that paint's kind of a little bit of that bubbling. But once again, you can see driver's side, nice shine to the paint also. Bright work down the center of the car, also looking good. Very similar to the passenger side, I'd have to say. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. If you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Good look at the door panel. It appears the carpeting has been replaced. As far as the seating surfaces, those looks like those could be original. And again, cloth vinyl combination. Of course, the armrest on the rear, and that will push down if I remember right, so it can also be a seating area. Technician did note the factory radio was in op too. I wanted to mention that, but yeah, look at the dash of this. As much chrome on the interior as the exterior. Pretty cool. And once again, only made for 1 year. As far as this body style. All right, fired up, dual exhaust. Again, that's 370 cubic inches of tri-power power. All right, dash looks good. Headliner. You can see the visor's intact. There was a couple wear spots I know up in the front right there. You can see one under that visor. you how it sounds. A little rumble coming out of that V8. Alright, let me slip up to the front here. I want to get this hood popped, and we'll check out this engine bay. And then, like I said, stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive. Alright, good look at the underside of the hood. Flat black, nice and clean and tidy. And engine bay. Does look like a newer battery. Battery disconnect for when it's in storage or in between drives. There it is. That 3-carb setup. And again, power steering, power brake, automatic trans. Any questions, call us, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can find all those still pics. It's a 1958 Pontiac Bonneville 2-door hardtop or sport coupe. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1958 Pontiac Bonneville. Beautiful car, inside and out. All that chrome work, the dash design on this car is amazing. So, just little things like this. Here's your cigarette lighter in the center of that art piece right there, and then right next to it, ashtray. Pulls out the same. Passenger has an ashtray just like it. Functional style, that's what they were about in the 50s. Speedometer appears to be working. The oil pressure a little over half on the gauge. The generator is just a little under, no, it's a little over half. That is charging as it should. And the temperature just coming off of cold. A little, almost to a quarter of the way up the gauge. This is an automatic on the column, so it's easy to drive. Don't mind a couple tiny drips hitting the windshield. It decided to sprinkle on us a little bit. Amazing styling in this car. I'm noticing a couple cracks in the wing window on the passenger side. Otherwise, primarily very beautiful inside. Some weathering on the center of the steering wheel. It only adds character. It actually matches the color of some of the interior of the car. Now the speedometer is reading fast. It's reading about 70 while I'm doing about 50, maybe 45. But it does try to read. This car brakes smoothly. Nice rumble to this car. 58 Bonneville. What'd you say? Competition for Cadillac, possibly? Pontiac did it really well. So did Buick back in the day. Very stylish 1958 Pontiac Bonneville. Find out all about it and see all the pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com.